Okay, so I have returned to the soap factory. Now I don't know about the low light situation on the Kucam, and I don't know how this is going to be lit. I'll turn on every light I can find, but wow, to see it in this condition is interesting. So I guess we can take a brick for a souvenir. Oh my god. Wow. Got the boiler room opened up. That's amazing. Oh my god. I have to take my sunglasses off here. Oops. Spill some coffee on my shoulder. Whoa, buddy. I took apart the whole office. This is fucking incredible. Hard hat, safety glasses. I brought my safety glasses, but unbelievable. Okay, so this used to be the elevator shaft. I can't believe it. I legit cannot believe the path I'm taking. This used to be, where so many artists had a little room doing an exhibition back here. I'm too blown away to narrate, but yep. Boiler room. So much equipment in here, it's ridiculous. The whole elevator shaft is gone. Wow. And they sealed off this walkthrough. Oh, Chris Pennington is claiming some of these signs. All of them. That's very good. I want to see if my miracle button is still here. And press it so I get a miracle. That was the one permanent art installation I have here. It is still there. It's an old dead doorbell. I don't know what it's wired to, but it's wired to produce a miracle, and I wrote on it, yes. I probably spelled miracle wrong, but the miracle button still exists. I'm going to press it. There we go. A bunch of miracles are happening right now. The old fire panels. It's just amazing. Configuration change. Wow, the old office does not exist. Everything is storage. What happened to the glass block, guys? Hoping that's a 518. The video rooms are gone. Why is this floor made of wood? This floor used to be tile. My bathroom was right in this area. I think. Huh. So there's the plumbing for the bathroom I used to occupy when I lived right here, basically. This is horrible. This is like they had no intention at actually fixing it up properly. There's slow crumbling they wanted. Lead paint. Who determined that? What the hell? I doubt it. Incredible. Some good quality beams. Artwork. For rotating. I want to put the sign out and say the gallery is open, but it is not. Uh-oh, I can go upstairs. There are people working. Artists at work. There were some roofers too, so I'll be able to get on the roof a little bit later. The center beam. I'm going to go look at the other galleries. they still exist. Foreman meeting every Tuesday, 8 a.m. in the lunchroom. An art shank. This is an eating area. No personal protective equipment allowed in the eating area. Wow. Just wow. Okay, so that used to be the... Interesting. What a mess. I guess this is what getting up to code gets you. The destruction of the soap factory. So that's good 3D video. I was gonna scan everything for virtual reality, all the brick textures, but there's so much shit in the way. And a lot of walls are gone now. I remember Reddy Penning, Mitchell took the wall down here. It used to be a white wall. Yeah, super disorienting to see it like this. Well, I'll probably make another tour of the upstairs as time goes on here, but I'm going to end the video now and do some other things with the other camera.